What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this Glitzzy Dip Powder Kit, and I'm so excited to review this for you guys. I am obsessed with this kit. It retails for $39.99, which I don't think is too bad of a price. The packaging is freaking amazing. It's literally in my nail room, like as display. Here are the swatches of all 8 glitters. It comes with 2 nail files, a cuticle pusher, a nail brush, and dip liquids. I love these bottles. They remind me so much of like SE nail polish. This is the color I'm using, Chrome, Sweet Chrome. It's so beautiful. Okay, we're gonna hop right in. I'm starting with the base coat, and just be careful when you go in with this liquid because it does hold so much on the brush. So just make sure that if you get a little bit too much, you're just gonna wipe that off on the neck of the bottle. Well, in the neck of the bottle. Don't, you know what I mean. But other than that, these liquids were amazing. I had no issue with the base drying too fast or anything like that. They had a little bit of smell, but I didn't get any dip flu from them, so it's fine by me. You also don't need a second activator, which I think is amazing because that means it lowers my chances of getting a hard brush, which if you know me, that is something I struggle tough with. And also, the shine on this top coat is incredible. I honestly think it might be my new favorite dip liquid set. I will say that. I loved it. As for the dips themselves, these glitters were super easy to use. They laid really well. They didn't take long to dry. Sometimes I have that issue with glitters taking too long to dry. I think maybe just because some of them don't have as much clear as others, but man, sometimes it takes me forever to get a glitter to dry. And then you go and brush it and then it just wipes it all off and you're like, oh, okay, that's how today's gonna go. But no, these were great. They dried almost instantly. I will say I find it kind of interesting that this kit didn't come with a clear dip powder. I like to encapsulate all my glitters just to make sure I don't burn any of them off when I file. So I was kind of surprised that this one didn't come with that. I'm not sure if you do or don't need a clear with these glitters. You would have to try it out on a swatch stick first, but I would recommend getting a clear dip powder if you don't have one and you are thinking about buying this kit. Alright, I am going to stop rambling now and let you guys watch for a little bit, and I will be back in a little while. I'm going to be putting on this activator, and we're going to let this sit on the nails for 2 minutes, and then when we're done I'm going to do some filing and I will meet you guys back here for top coat time. Okay, I'm going to go in with the top coat now, and I'm going to do one coat through, and then I'm going to let it sit for 2 minutes just to make sure it's completely dry and I don't mess anything up with the second coat. So I know I used to say with Dip Powder Top Coat that Sparkling Co's Glossy 2.0 was my favorite. Well, I think this might have it beat. I'll have to see it on something that's not glitter because it is kind of harder to tell how good a top coat is on glitter, because if there are imperfections you can't really see as easily as you could on something that would be solid, if you know what I mean. But this top coat is freaking amazing and it dried so fast. I'm really liking these liquids and I'm excited to use them some more. Here is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you Glitzzy for sending this kit over. I am so impressed and I love the final look. Thank you guys so much again, and I'll see you next time. Bye!